Hey everyone, I got a wonderful news today cause my friend Orith is here with me. We went to my driving classes and he is went with me. Buddy, say hi.
Hi everyone.
Say something, dude.
We just finished our driving class and it was not too much well, but I prefer not to come here because it is totally waste of time.
No, that's it's not my fault. Actually, someone recommendation me there to okay, just drive the car. Now it's terrible. It's not my fault. Okay.
It's totally his fault.
Well, before I joined there, I have zero knowledge about this. That's why I joined there.
But I would like to say it was totally his fault because I have told some variety of news before. Like if you want to drive a car or if you want to go to training school, you should go somewhere else. Not this one, but this motherfucker came to this one.
No. Actually, he know how to drive. He knows how to drive. That's why he is saying like this. Okay.
Well, it's not my fault that I know how to drive. It's his fault that he doesn't know how to drive a car.
No. I have much more knowledge how to drive a car. But yes,
Bro,
he's expert. He's better than
bro,
me.
experience matters.
Okay, shut the fuck up, dude. I didn't say that. Okay. I know you're better than me, but it's not that you're trying to be bigger than me, dude. Yeah, yes, I know you're good. You're quite good at it. But it's not like that. I'm zero and you're 1,000 plus, million below, something like that. Okay.
Well, I should say he must carry on. There is no other option for him. But unless he drives a car like a perfect person or a beginner level.
Okay, now I know you're better than me. Now give me some idea that how to drive a car, okay?
So first of all, you need to calm your mind, and most important thing, this car is kind of vintage and it's quite old. So you must need to drive a car that is in modern country related. I mean the modern ones, not this vintage car.
So what? It's not my fault. You know, I cannot afford a
It's
car.
not his fault.
I
know
cannot
that.
afford a car. That's why I'm trying to drive this car, okay?
But you can afford a nice school.
Yes, my school, but I paid
That's-
for it.
that's
I
probably your
I
mistake.
paid, dudes. That's why I'm learning how to drive, okay?
Well, there is nothing to do about it. We are just heading on our way home, but not my home. Basically, his home.
No,
And
no,
I guess
not my home.
that's not your current home. It's his temporary house,
Okay.
and let's see what he gives me to eat, or let's see if we have some fun or anything else.
Okay, dude. Then let's have fun together. Bye everyone. Good, dude. Say bye. Say hi. Say hi.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.